let's try around and Kibo 道頓堀のたこ焼き、何の味もいいんですが梅しそレモンね、いただきます。海苔頑張れ。美味しい。Morning, welcome or welcome back to our channel. Nagoyaki make your life easier with Kim and
直樹です。おはようございます。こんにちは、こんばんは。メイクライフイージャーの
Kim to.
直樹です。
Yes, we are now here at Namba area here in Osaka, and we are now looking for Amerikamura, and later on we're going to the temple Yasaka Jinja.
そうです。今日は大阪の、難波道頓堀周辺とアメリカ村あたりを散策します。難波八坂神社に向かってみようと思います。
Yes, we're going to use this navigation to find it.
Yeah.
Okay. It's 11 o'clock in the morning and there's already a lot of tourist people walking around. Yeah. Oh. Candy ang mise. Oh. And before we forget, if you like these kind of travel videos, please do consider subscribing to our channel. Hit the like button and the bell icon below.
ボタンとチャンネル登録を興味があったらよろしくお願いします。
お願いします。I think that is the landmark of Amerikamura. If you see that Statue of Liberty, I think we're here in this area. I'm just guessing. Okay. 私はアメリカモーラと思うよ。もうアメリカモーラだ。Okay, we are now officially here at Amerikamura, and I want to look for a very strong coffee because I think there's a lot of people here in Osaka, and I catch a flu or something because I feel very sleepy right now, and it doesn't even how many monster drinks I took this morning, I'm still sleepy, so I will try to drink some Starbucks. Amerikamura na. Amerikamura daw. Genki. Amerikamura ne. Chuko no fuku to ka oi. So you. I believe that Amerikamura is famous for second-hand clothing, and they have also brand new clothing, but mostly some are second-hand clothing. Yeah.
ああ、これだわ。
ね、
よくテレビで
すごい。
見るやつ。
Amerikamura. It's still early, but look.
すげえ。
あ、それか。
あれ、さっき宮内さんからセラピー。
あれアメリカじゃない。韓国。You know how I feel about secondhand goods if you watch some of my minimalism videos. I really don't like secondhand goods. But I remember なんか10年前に1個ジャンパー買ったよ。
あ、ほんと？
置いてないだけ。
だっけ？
I bought a very gorgeous jacket here 10 years ago, and I'm still wearing it. That's the only second-hand good that I bought. I might be lucky to find another one because that was just slightly used. Why are they falling in line? Let's see. Up to Nani? Oh, kids.
Baby
Tapioca?
キャラクター
Tapi da kara tapioca da wa. America mura. Is it worth coming here? No. No, don't come here. Stores here, there are a lot of hagglers walking around, and if you stop and look at them in the eye, they will force you to come in and buy clothes that you don't like.
アメリカ村は古着が好きでちょっとこうバイオレンスな服が好きな人はおすすめですが、僕たちは違うスタイルなので買う服はありませんでした。
Yeah, it is really different from 10 to 15 years ago. It is not worth coming here and buy these stuffs. No.
一応大阪では有名なので、興味がある方は来るだけでも来てみたらいいと思います。
If you like these kinds of clothing, yeah. And you cannot take videos. We can't take videos inside stores because they don't allow videos. So we'll go to someplace else.
これで話？違う。
違うところ行こう。
そうですね。道頓堀はじゃあアメリカ村はここで一旦閉めましょう。
Look at this, some ugly clothes. It is not worth buying this trash. They should pay me to wear this trash. No. Even how much brand names are these? These are... No. Look. Ew. Ew. No. Don't be influenced by those YouTube influencers that comes here and then tell you that, oh, these are fabulous clothes with brand names and it's now cheap. No, it's not. It's really cheap and it's trash. Who's going to wear those shoes? They might really stink and you will get foot diseases on them, and why would you pay so much money for that? Ew. No, those. I won't be caught dead wearing that. Disgusting. Okay, here's the thing. Why would someone, just my opinion, our opinion, maybe my opinion, I don't know what his opinion. Why would you buy something so expensive or brand names that are secondhand that looks like trash when you can buy something brand new for the same price and it doesn't look like trash, it's brand new. Don't fall for that. My opinion.
アメリカ村は古着屋さんなのでが多いので、古着が好きな人はどうぞ。古着が好きじゃなくて新しくて、ミニマリストできちんとしたものを買いたい人はここじゃないですね。黒いのが好きな方は どうぞ名古屋の大須でも売ってあります。
そうね。And since we are already here in Namba, Naoki wants to eat some takoyaki.
食べたい。
Yeah, so we're going to Dotonbori.
心斎橋のアーケードの中を歩いていますよ。
夏。
11月ですが夏外人さんは暑いですね。
That's why I might wear not sleeveless, short sleeve shirts. I'm looking for a short sleeve shirt. It's really hot right now, and I'm not feeling well.
美しい外人さんですが
ね、
夏すげえ。
Yay, we changed to a short sleeve shirts because it is really warm today, this afternoon.
11月なのに25度超えなので外人さんと同じように半袖にしました。
And we've been looking for this Uniqlo collaboration with House Company. Yes, you mean House Company. All over Nagoya we cannot find it, and eventually we found it here in Osaka. Look, House Company. Yee! Collaboration with Uniqlo, only here in Osaka. And now I'm kind of hungry, so let's go grab some takoyaki and Starbucks.
あったね、
We are now here officially at Dotonbori, and we are going to eat some takoyaki and look at the people, very many.
大阪の道頓堀に来ましたよ。有名なグリコの写真を撮りますね。階段
出たよ。見た。Okay, while Naoki is falling in line to get some takoyaki, I'm here at Starbucks and getting my coffee. And I'm so sleepy still, so I decided to get 2 shots of coffee in my cafe mocha. Around and Naoki bought these takoyakis. Variety ね。
道頓堀のたこ焼きレオールさんというお店の、3種盛りです。定番の味もいいんですが、梅しそ、ロシポン酢、塩、レモンですね。いただきます。
お姉さん取っちゃった。
無理。暑いすぎ。暑いすぎ。出来たてだからね。
かわいい。マリオか。マリオの帽子かぶって歩いてる最中。
頑張れ。美味しい。暑いけど。After almost 2-kilometer walk, now we reach Namba Yasaka Jinja. ねえ。だからね、みんな来るんだ。綺麗なの。That's why a lot of people come here. It is じゃらーん。
わわわわ。
It is really a charang. Charang. Yes. Now I know why. I thought it's just a small opening, but it's big ね。big だね。ちっちゃいと思って大きいだわ。
すごいでかいね。
ね。
ほんと近くなのいいじゃない。すごいお客さんいっぱいいる。
Usually there's so much people around, and no matter how hard you take a solo picture, you will not gonna get it because someone else is always at the background.
八坂、難波八坂神社は観光客、日本人も外国人もいっぱいで、写真の撮り合いです。
ね、
いいところで写真撮ると思って順番マナーを守りましょう。
マナーお願いしますね。If you see someone taking a picture, step away. Wait for your turn.
やってないから
ね、やったよ。If you like these kinds of travel videos, please do consider subscribing to our channel. Hit the like button and the bell icon down below.
皆さんこのチャンネルに興味を持っていただけたらグッドボタンとをよろしくお願いします。
お願いします。名古屋県 Make Your Life Easier with Kim and
直樹でした。
Bye!